Hi, I'm Sheerin, and this is my presentation for Computer Science Class 101 with Dr. Faywolf. This presentation is about the influence computing has had socially, economically, and culturally. First, I will give you an introduction to the topic of how computing has influenced us as a whole. Then I will go into some background information about how computing has influenced us socially, economically, and culturally individually. After background information, I will relate my topic of computing influences to this computer science class, where I will explain how the class helped me do this project, and then how this topic has influenced this class. Then I'll show you a YouTube video of mine in which I talk about how computing has influenced us socially, economically, and culturally. Throughout my presentation, there are hyperlinks to some sites where I got information about these topics. I hope they help you out. Introduction. Computing has changed the world totally as a whole. With the aid of computing, mankind is making the impossible possible. Computing has advanced so much that we now have electric cars, smartphones, portable laptops, and many more technologies which have changed the lives of the people. Our world is a fast-forward world, and our technologies are helping us by making many things more convenient and faster. We can now bank, trade stocks, communicate, and entertain ourselves, all at the comfort of our home, or on the go, due to the influences of computing. Influences of computing socially. Communication-wise, people now are talking and connecting over a virtual interface rather than in person. With the invention of the smartphone and the laptop, the way we communicate was forever changed. People now text instead of talk. We can FaceTime or tweet to millions of people all around the world in just seconds. Computing has connected the world. Without computing, we would know nothing about things going on in other countries, like the earthquake in Nepal. Another influence of computing socially is the creation of social media. Social media is a website or app where users create, share, and participate in social networking. These apps allow us to share personal information with other people, thus changing how we as people stay connected. Even the way we teach or learn is forever changed due to computing. Just look at this class. You taught us to do something by making a video and emailing it to us personally. We communicated many times via email, but yet you probably couldn't pick me out of a crowd. That just shows you how socially changed we are due to computing. Influences of computing economically. Computing has created a multi-billion-dollar industry. With people demanding new and better technologies, the computing industry has boomed. The computing industry created millions of jobs, from the people who build the machines all the way to the people who write code for them. Computing is the future of the workforce. Again, one of the best things computing has done for us is making life quicker and easier. With computing, we can now bank and trade stocks all online. Marketing is also much more personal to consumer needs due to computing. Today, the richest people in the world are the ones who have done something with computing, such as Bill Gates or Mark Zuckerberg. Influences of computing culture. Today, many cultural norms of the past are changed due to computing. Kids don't talk face-to-face anymore. Instead, they play video games and play in a virtual world instead. That is much different than years before. Also, a new slang has even emerged, with people talking the same way they text. An example is when people say LOL for laugh out loud, or IDK for I don't know. How we even keep ourselves entertained has been changed due to computing. We can go online and find games, movies, live TV, and many more things to do in just seconds. Even how we meet one another has been changed due to online dating sites, social media, and many other things that have culturally changed due to computing. Now, let's relate Computer Science 101 with my topic. To do so, I want to take you to my website. This is my website which I made in my Computer Science 101 class. This class helped me do many of the skills needed to make this presentation, such as I learned how to do HTML and CSS languages. This class is an exact example of how computing has influenced us socially, economically, and culturally. Socially, Dr. Fay will have talked to us and taught us how to do several things for this class off of pre-recorded videos, which he would email to us. Economically, this class is exactly what employers want to see on future employees' resumes. And culturally, the focus in education of computer science is a huge cultural change to how it used to be. Personal computers are a huge game changer to us socially, economically, and culturally. We now have the convenience to conversate, bank, and entertain ourselves from anywhere we please, thanks to personal computers. Here's a graph that shows the age of personal computers and how people are getting newer ones often. Now I'd like to show you a video of mine where I talk about the influences of computing socially, economically, and culturally.
Affected socially, economically, and cultural influences.
Socially, people around the world are able to communicate instantly in multiple ways such as phone, email, Skype, and text. Economically, the computing business is a huge moneymaker due to the popularity as well as the variety of new functions in the economic world as online banking. Culturally, technology will define our society's culture. We are changing and evolving from the past eras. With technology, our culture is changing the way people live in a society.
Yo, you wanna go play outside?
No, I'm gonna just play my game on.
Yo, do you got money for pizza?
Let me check my bank account. What you doing?
Nothing on Facebook.
Conclusion. Overall, the biggest influence of computing is the speed and ease which one person can do which they please. Computing allows us to communicate with anyone in the world on any type of interface in just seconds. It allows us to bank and trade stocks all from the comfort of our homes, along with being a multi-billion-dollar industry in itself. The culture of the people has forever changed due to how quick and easy computers has made everything. How we entertain ourselves and how we even talk has been changed due to computers. Computing has had a huge influence on the world economically, socially, and culturally. Hyperlinked below is my website if you would like to read up more information about this topic. Thank you, and have a good one.